Sounds like a tiny bit made up, you know, like the snozzberries taste like snozzberries kind of thing. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today's video is sponsored by Scentbird. I'm talking about them in just a little bit. But for now, let's go ahead and talk about the box we're going to be unboxing today. So for those of you who have been here for a while, you're going to be a little bit confused as to why I'm doing this unboxing, why I'm reverting back to my old ways. Because this is a box that we used to do on the channel quite some time ago, but I had like a little bit, just like a small bit of a falling out with them. I don't remember exactly what happened. Not shocking at all whatsoever, but at some point when I had this box, I had to talk to customer service and it didn't go well. I don't remember exactly what happened, exactly what the interaction was between me and customer service, but it didn't end well. And I think I even made a video about it. The box that we're going to be doing today is Glossy Box, and there is a reason why I do have this box yet again. Well, one, it's been a long time since I've unboxed it, so like, I might as well go ahead and give it another try. Maybe things have changed, maybe I've changed, we've changed. And two, I really want to do the Glossy Box advent calendar unboxing this year. It has been a pain in the rear end trying to get advent calendars, and I really want to do that one because it was really good last year. And if you're subscribed to the box, you get like inside access. You get to order it before anybody else in an attempt to get this advent calendar. And my dumb brain thought that the advent calendar was supposed to come out a specific day, but I still didn't have access, and I was like, oh, maybe I didn't actually subscribe. Well, I did. So I subscribed a second time. Nonetheless, though, we do have a box to unbox today. It's on the ground. It's buried. Oh. And yes, it did come exactly like this. Of course it did. It's like entirely ripped open, but there is an internal box. So that's good. However, before we get on into this box, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into today's sponsor, Scentbird. As the seasons change, it is fun to change up your fragrance with it. Since we're entering into fall, you might want to try something a little more warm and heavy, but you might not want to buy a whole new bottle, and that's why it'd be great to give Scentbird a try. Scentbird is a fragrance subscription service that lets you shop from over 600 brands and lets you choose a new designer fragrance every month for only $16. I've been using Scentbird for a while now, and it's great because the vials are 8 times bigger than a regular perfume sample and come with a 30-day supply. You can also upgrade to receive 2 to 3 products a month. Scentbird works directly with top designer brands like Gucci and Prada, as well as indie brands. If you don't know where to start or what to choose, you can always take the Scentbird fragrance recommendation quiz to help you find a fragrance that you'll love. I personally am trying Sanctuary Vaquita Dolphin, which smells of juicy pear and berries, Deck of Scarlet Scarlet, which strongly smells of blackcurrant and peony, Commodity Gold, which has a rich, luxurious vanilla scent, Good Habit Align, that has a very clean scent of bergamot, and finally, one of my all-time favorites, Dolce & Gabbana Dolce Garden. It smells so good. It has scents of floral and coconut. If you would like to give Scentbird a try, be sure to use my code Alexandria30 for 30% off your first month. That's just $11 for your first month at Scentbird. Scentbird is also expanding to Canada in September. Alright, so here I hold before me a box I have not done in a very long time. We have the Glossy Box. This is actually decently heavy, feels nice and hefty. I'm gonna assume it's full of skincare because that's what everything is recently. It's just skincare. It is a little like mooshed in the corner. It's like shoved in. I am not wearing makeup yet today to see if there's anything to be able to try on inside this box. I have no idea if there's going to be because literally everything's been skincare recently in boxes, but we shall see. We have a little card here on the top that'll tell us about the stuff inside of the box. I'm not thinking there's going to be a lot of makeup in here because this very beautiful lady on the front looks like she has clean, perfect, flawless skin, and it looks like she's not supposed to be wearing any makeup, which she is. I do like how Glossy Box ties their little packages. I think that's a nice touch. There's a lot going on here. So the first thing I pulled out of here, I'm not sure if this is an actual product or just like a sample, but this is the 4 Sigmatic Mushroom Cocoa Mix with reishi chili. Honest to goodness, I thought that said relish. I was like, wow, mushrooms and relish together inside cocoa. Things are getting wild around here. But no, this is like mushroom hot chocolate that's also hot, as in spicy. And we have 2 packages. I'm not gonna say that I don't like this because I have no idea that if I do not like it, I've never tried it before. I'm just gonna assume that this is something I'm not going to enjoy. Okay, next in here, this is from David's. This is a whitening and anti-plaque premium toothpaste. It's supposed to be natural, fluoride-free, sulfate-free, and taste of peppermint. Oh, well, it's just a tiny little bottle of toothpaste. It is, however, very cute, very like aesthetic. If you have a bathroom that's supposed to look very spa-like and you don't have a place to put your toothpaste and your Colgate is ruining your feng shui of your bathroom, this could be very nice to set on your countertop. It has like a metal tube to it It's a very calming, like seafoam blue-green shade. It has no sodium in it. Does regular toothpaste have like salt in it? That's a thing I didn't know. It is naturally sourced and has naturally derived ingredients. It is a recyclable metal tube. It's also fluoride free. So yeah, we got some toothpaste. The next thing I'm seeing in here is a little pack of what looks like masks. These are both from Freeman. They are Feeling Beautiful Detoxifying Kale and Dandelion mask. Oh, can't say I've ever seen a mask with dandelion in it. That's very interesting. This is a gel bubble mask. That sounds kind of fun. It's supposed to intensely oxygenate and has healthy greens to energize the skin. And then this one is... Where are they coming up with these berries? Every time I read like another beauty product, skincare product, there's a new berry that I've never heard of before. So this time it's cactus. That's not the berry I'm talking about, but cactus and cloudberry. Great name for a berry. I love that. But never in my 29 years of life have I heard of a cloudberry until this moment. Sounds like a tiny bit made up, you know, like the snozberries taste like snozberries kind of thing, but apparently that's a picture of it right there if you want to know what a cloudberry looks like. I'm guessing it's called a cloudberry because it has multiple like bulbous things on it. This one is not a bubble mask, it is a water gel mask and it's for hydrating. Oh, we recently received something from this brand in another box, probably like a BoxyCharm or something, maybe even Ipsy. But this is from Terra de Mars. It is a Radition body cleanser. Oh, it's the same product. It's the same exact product. We have received this before. It's just a body cleanser. I'm sure the other one or two of these that we've received recently is floating around here somewhere. Oh. I was trying to take off the cap to take off the safety seal, but there is none, so no worries. Oh my goodness. Oh. It has such a light scent. I didn't even notice that it was like squirting out the top. This has coffee extract in it, verbena and aloe vera. It says it also has rosemary extracts in it, which I've been using rosemary a lot for my hair. I've been using rosemary oil and rosemary water, and I don't know if it's working or doing anything, but we'll see. Okay, so what you're about to witness is the result of me not filming with anybody in the house for years. So it's me getting incredibly shy because somebody is home, and yeah, I'm very sorry for the low energy in this next part. I was already a little bit lower energy to begin with, but it gets much worse and I'm so sorry. Okay. So I stopped filming for a little bit because my boyfriend came home and I do not film in front of other people ever, so I'm going to be very shy and quiet now like I used to be back in the day. Watching back my first videos is nearly painful. Actually, it is painful. Okay, so last thing we were talking about was this body wash, and that's exactly what it was. It was body wash. I was saying something about rosemary. I put it on my head and I guess it does good things for the body too. Next in here we have a Stress Check Clean Hands No Rinse formula. It's a moisturizing, purifying hand gel with 70% alcohol and pure essential oils. If you ask me, that sounds an awful lot like hand sanitizer, just like made up to be fancy. Why can't they say hand sanitizer? It says 98% natural, purifying gel to safeguard hard-working hands throughout the day, but nowhere on here does it say hand sanitizer, which is exactly what it is. It's hand sanitizer. And then finally, the last thing we have in here is from Astaxanthin. Obviously, purely no idea exactly how to pronounce that, but this is a collagen all-in-one gel face moisturizer. It is to tone, moisturize, and brighten skin. We had just had a conversation about like collagen and applying it topically, if it actually did anything, if it actually worked, and kind of no. Like saying it's collagen, it's going to like, you know, make your collagen cells fill up or something isn't exactly true, but apparently the collagen and things can help moisturize your skin, so I guess that's how it works. The container on this is kind of pretty. Why is it? I don't know why it reminds me of like a Bath & Body Works product, but it does. It's kind of like shimmery. Oh, it's orange. Looks like sherbet. It's a very thick cream. It doesn't have much of a smell to it, but I do like that it's orange. It's very like fall color. Which if you can see behind me, I have used some of the stuff I got in the decorated box to try to make this a little bit more warm and fall behind me. Alright you guys, that was everything that came in this glossy box. This is the first one that we've received in years, I think, on the channel. Let's go ahead and look at this little magazine here to tell us if it tells us, to see if it tells us any of the prices of these things. Okay, it does. So this thing right here, which I'm not going to try to pronounce yet again, is $49 and it is the full size. Okay, now I see why they're not calling it a hand sanitizer, because they're saying that This is a travel size worth $6 and the full size is worth $15. This is a $1 bottle of hand sanitizer. You can't tell me any different. It might have some more oils and stuff in there to keep your hands moisturized, but like, it's hand sanitizer. The Terra de Mars Rendition Body Cleanser. Why do I keep saying rendition? It's Redition. This body cleanser is $23. That's pretty pricey. The toothpaste is it is a miniature size. It is $4.95. The full size is $9.95, which is also kind of pricey for toothpaste, but it is like natural and stuff. Oh, okay. Apparently there was supposed to be some type of mitt that came in here to give you a youthful glow that cleanses and exfoliates at the same time, but instead of the mitt, I guess I got these, which is kind of disappointing because the mitt is worth $14 and I don't believe these two masks here are worth $14. I actually really would like to try out that mitt. I have been using another Korean type mitt thing, but it feels like sandpaper. It works well. My skin does feel very smooth, but I don't use it very often because it is so harsh. But this one would have been cool to try, but I didn't receive it. And then we have, okay, so these actually were a thing in here to be counted as one of the items. These are supposed to be 2 packets worth $4. These are $2 a piece. They are vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, and organic. And they're supposed to make you relax with mushrooms in them, but I just don't really see drinking spicy hot cocoa at nighttime to relax and go to bed, because like that's what it says on here. It's like for a better bedtime, but like spicy cocoa isn't really what I'm thinking about during bedtime. Okay, so I totaled everything up and the total price came to $86.95. I didn't include the price of the masks because they weren't listed on here. I can't imagine them costing much though. That's not really fantastic. This is a $21 box, so only getting $86.95. Even if we did get the mitt, that would only be $100, whereas like BoxyCharm is like $25, but you're seeing upwards of like almost a $200 value in some of those, or at least well over 100. So that's not really good. And this entire box was just skincare. Like there's nothing in here that wasn't skincare besides some like spicy mushroom chocolate. I know that I resubscribed to this box pretty much just because I wanted the advent calendar, but at the same time, like I was still looking forward to getting another box. But this one, I don't know if it was a mistake to resubscribe or not, especially I have another one coming. There's another one on the way. Let me know what you guys think about this. Do you get GlossyBox? Is it typically like this, like mainly skincare? From my memory when I got it a long time ago, it was very skincare heavy, but this is like pure skincare. I can't stop playing with the little squiggly paper in the box though.
6-inch ribbon curls, honey.
That's impossible.
6 inches.
Alright, so that was everything for this unboxing. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. I'll be very interested in hearing what you guys have to say about this. I personally am not too jazzed about this box, and I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep it, if I'm not going to keep it. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Should I keep this box? Should I not keep this box? Like once I finally get my mitts on that advent calendar, should I cancel? Or should I give it a few more times to see if things change? But I just think the value is a little bit too low and it's just all entirely skincare. So I don't know. But anyway, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. We do have merch that'll be linked down below in the description and in the pinned comment. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!